You're welcome. How to solve this nice algebra equation? Solution from here. From what we have here, we can multiply this directly. X times x, same thing as x squared, and over 4 times 4. Also, we can write it as 4 squared equals to, on this side as well, 4 times 4, that's 4 squared, over x times x, we have x squared. Then next step here, we cross multiply, that is x squared times x squared, then equals to also 4 squared times 4 squared. Then also from here, same thing multiplying, just like when we have a times a, which is same thing as a squared. Then here we can write this as x squared all squared equals to 4 squared all squared. That is, here we take 4 squared to the left hand side, and this becomes x squared all squared minus 4 squared all squared, then equals to 0 from here. Then here, this follows difference of two squares. When we have a squared minus b squared, which is same thing as a plus b into bracket, then open bracket a minus b. Then here a is standing as x squared and b standing as 4 squared. Then what we have here, follow this and becomes x squared plus 4 squared into brackets, then also open bracket x squared minus 4 squared close bracket, which is now equals to 0 on this side. Then also here we have two possible cases, that is x squared plus 4 squared equals to 0, or we have x squared minus 4 squared equals to 0 here. Then solving on this side, this follows when we have a squared plus b squared, which is same thing as a plus bi into brackets, then also open bracket a minus bi. That is, here, this follows this and becomes x plus 4i into bracket, and also open bracket x minus 4i close bracket, then equals to 0 from here. Also here we have two possible cases. The first one, x plus 4i equals to 0, or we have x minus 4i equals to 0 here. That is, here we have x equals to minus 4i, which is a complex solution here. And also here we have x equals to 4i, which is also a complex solution here, which implies we have two complex solutions from here. Also from the second case here, which is x squared minus 4 squared equals to 0 here. This also follows when we have difference of two squares, that is a squared minus b squared, same thing as a plus b into brackets, then open bracket a minus b. That is, here, this follows what we have and become x plus 4 into brackets, then open bracket x minus 4 brackets, then equals to 0 here. That is, also we have two possible cases, x plus 4 equals to 0, or we have x minus 4 equals to 0. Then solving here, we have x equals to minus 4, which is a real solution here. And here as well, we have x equals to 4, which is also a real solution here. Then we also have two real solutions. Altogether, we have 4 solutions here. When we write it out, we have x1 equals to 4, x2 equals to minus 4, x3 from the complex, we have 4i. Then x4, also from the complex, we have minus 4i. So we have 4 solutions here, 2 real and 2 complex. Now, let's check if this satisfies this given problem. That is, we substitute the value of x here. For the first one, x equals to 4. All here becomes 4 over 4 times 4 over 4. Is it equals to, also here 4 over 4 times 4 over 4. And here 4 over 4, same thing as 1 times also 4 over 4, that's 1. Is it equals to 4 over 4 here, that's also 1 times also 4 over 4, which is 1. Then 1 times 1, of course, that's 1, which is equals to, also here 1 times 1, that's 1. Hence, we have the left hand side equals to the right hand side. Then here 4 satisfy this given problem. Then also we have x equals to minus 4. And when we substitute here, what we have also becomes minus 4 over 4 times minus 4 over 4. Is it equals to 4 over minus 4 times 4 over minus 4? Then minus 4 over 4 can be written as minus 1 times also minus 4 over 4, that's minus 1. Is it equals to 4 over minus 4, that's also minus 1 times 4 over minus 4, that's minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 1 give us plus. Plus minus times minus turn to plus. So this is plus 1, which is equals to also minus 1 times minus 1, also plus 1, which implies left hand side is also equals to the right hand side. And then x equals to minus 4 also satisfy this given problem. Then the next we substitute x equals to 4i. Then here this becomes 4i over 4 times 4i over 4. Is it equals to 4 over 4i times 4 over 4i? Then 4i over 4, you can write that as I times also 4i over 4, that's I. Is it equals to 4 over 4i? You can write that as 1 over I times also here 4 over 4i, that's 1 over I. Then I times I, same thing multiplying. You can write that as I squared. Is it equals to here 1 times 1, that's 1 over I times I as well, that's I squared. And we should note that I squared, same thing as minus 1. Then here we have minus 1. Is it equals to 1 over minus 1? Then minus 1 here, same thing as 1 over minus 1. That's also minus 1. Then left hand side equals to right hand side. Also here, 4i satisfy this given problem. Then also for x equals to minus 4i, we substitute here. Then what we have becomes minus 4i over 4 times minus 4i over 4. Is it equals to 4 over minus 4i times 4 over minus 4i? Then here, minus 4 over 4, you can write it as minus I times also minus 4i over 4, that's minus I. Is it equals to 4 over minus 4i? We can put it as 1 over minus I. Then times 4 over minus 4i, that's also 1 over minus I. That is minus I times minus I, that becomes plus I squared. Is it equals to 1 times 1, that's 1 over minus I times minus I, also I squared. Then, since I squared is minus 1, we have minus 1. Is it equals to 1 over minus 1? This is minus 1, which is equals to also 1 over minus 1, that's minus 1. Then, left hand side equals to the right hand side. Also here, minus 4i satisfies this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.